a lot of people look for diversity in businesses, quotas to fill women. One of the things I've noticed about DigitalCon is that every DigitalCon I've gone to, there is more and more good-looking women. I have to say, for all of us, nice to see. That's the way to go. But I want to mention a couple of other ways that we come for diversity in our organization. I think that one of the things that Lullabot does is we're a totally virtual company. We've never had an office, and we always ask people after they come to our office, we like to ask what it might be like. We have 13 or 14 people, and we're coast to coast in the U.S. and Canada as well. And so we are very diverse when it comes to locations. How many of you work for virtual teams like time is virtual teams? That's like half of people here are working for virtual teams. That's something that is happening in, right? What's your wish you could look for? I think we're hiring. Diversity of location is something that we as people that work in technology, specifically open source, have the ability to do. We've been really lucky in Lullabot because we've been able to just watch the people that we want to hire, and because of the way that we're set up totally virtually, we're able to hire anyone that's great anywhere in the country, or anywhere in the world. We've had people that have worked for it. Overseas as well, we also have clients that are all over the globe, so we have that kind of global diversity in our client base as well, with people that work for us. Personality, yeah. So we kind of didn't see what hire people that look like us or sound like us, and that's generally a comfort thing. But one of the things that I really like about Lullabot is that I work with people that don't look like me or sound like me at all, and I think they're probably we're a really, really broadly diverse group of people with personalities. We have people that are really